So hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys doing are well. So in this video I will showing you how to access or how to watch TV channel in USA country. So right now I am here on Iptv Smart Pro. You can see this interface like you can choose multiple option like mobile and TV. I want to set up today is mobile application. So let's get started. Don't delete this video. First of all, save this, click on save button and read license agreement pages and get click accept button and as you can see multiple option like M3 playlist, like extreme code, like local audio, like one stream panel, like stalker portal, like play single stream list and playlist. So today I will showing you how to set up URL M3 playlist and file URL M3 playlist. So click on left side on M3 playlist section, and after clicking you said allowing, so I can allow, and this as you can see the interface like this interface is file and this interface is M3 URL. Like as you can see, I'm just showing you. Yes, you can see the segment like into URL and into playlist. So I want, if you have file section, then you can go to the your browser section and get it. So I have a URL, empty URL. So I want to set up. So first of all, this interface I want to set up it because now okay, everything is okay. But now recently I give you a name for playlist like USA channel. Okay, then I click on input m3 file. First of all, I will check. No, this is not URL link. So first of all, I'm copying my m3 link. So okay, I'm just copying my m3 URL so I can. Right now I'm putting this URL in this section. I'm just hold on and paste it. Then as you can see the interface, our URL is ready. So now you can click on this add playlist button. So I'll click on here, and as you can see the loading is successfully, and you just allowing this option, and you can, as you can see the multiple option is live TV like movies series. So my expiration is unlimited expiration if you can buy premium version, so as your personal matter. So I want to use free version like this. So right now I'm click on live TV option. As you can see, so all these USA channel is here. So as you can see any channel here, just click on and watch smoothly. So I'm just, for example, I want to showing one channel that as you can see on channel 1483 favorite channel like sports, Afghanistan, Bangla, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Indian, Malayalami, Tamil, like A to Z, cricket, sports, chain sports, like USA sports. As you can see the all USA sports channel available here. So I'm gonna click on channel.
Replace the.
So as you can see guys, channel is working. fine. So if you want to access our MV playlist, so you can visit our Telegram group, or if you guys visit our website, link in description and comment section. So goodbye and take care.